something more.
Still need a haircut, but hello. We're still doing something, but look at the car is out because we are rearranging the garage. But yeah, it's not bad. It's not rusted more than it was before. But yeah, just to remind you that I still have it, and it's still that still loads of work. But it's like, you know, remembering all the stuff that I've done to it. It doesn't look that bad. So that's another acquisition. 6.5 kilowatt four-stroke 3-phase generator. That was 30 quid. That's gonna power my garage for yonks. Yeah. Seam welds, everything. Yeah, it's good. Here's my friend that's helping me out, Mr. Norby. So we're just arranging the garage to see what can we fit in it. How can we improve how can we improve the accessibility to shit? Because I'm gonna have to. I'll pause this video today. Yeah, I'm gonna make some shelves and everything where I can, so I can stuff all the stuff from the ground and everything on top. But yeah, for now it's just rearranging stuff because I have so much shit. It's like inside of the Volvo, interior, seats. Oh yeah, if anyone wants Volvo 242 DL seats, give me a shout. I will sell them for you, very, very expensive. But yeah, they're good. They're just a bit, under the weather. But probably clean out nice. Everything works, the recliners and everything. So yeah, back seats as well. If you want, I might sell it to you. Where's the actual seat of the car? What?
Inside the car?
Have I got it? The back, like the bottom of the car. Ah, it's inside there. Yeah, I found it. Because I was like, where is it gone? And then I have another pile of shit over here that needs to go in the garage. That's my trusty glue gun. Metal glue gun, as I call it. But yeah. Oh well. Rearrange it and just do some silly things again. I'll see you later, boys.